Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for our $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight again, and we'll be doing the analysis together. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal research to see make sure you practice and perfect your trading skills so that you will be able to have an effective trading journey whenever you are trading on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be analyzing the market. These are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities or analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, we will be checking out our boom 1000 right away. Okay guys, this is the charts, and of course this is boom 1000. We're on 5-minute time frame, and just where we are seeing it, we will be using the 3M trend Milka trading tools to do our analysis right here. So you can see this started the downtrend right from here, got to the support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it's hard to it went back on buy trend, and of course it has not been able to break out from this resistance zone, so it pulled back and went back there again, still unable to break out from there. So it is approaching the support zone again. Okay, if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then definitely we may likely see spikes happening around there. But once it breaks out below it, then here is going to be the next support zone. So this is very important. So for now, this is selling at the moment. Okay, it is selling at the moment. Okay, more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, here is boom 500, just the way we have seen it. Okay, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but right now it's trying to go back on downtrend, and of course it's so till it got to this region, pull back, and of course it will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out below that support zone, then definitely it will keep on selling for a very long time. Okay, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, after breaking out from this support zone, then we should be looking at somewhere here. If it breaks out from here, then it means that it is on full downtrend at that particular time. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just where we have seen it, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, so till it got to this region, pull back again, and of course started selling again, and it has been selling and crashing down, and of course it has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it does not, then definitely it will go back on buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Below the support zone, at that stage, that means it will be going on buy trend. Okay, let's check out crash 500 right away. This is crash 500, and of course just where we are seeing it, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this region, went on buy trend, pull back, went back up again, pull back, and of course it is still more of a downtrend. So this is still selling more. Okay, it is still selling more, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it is still more of a downtrend than a buy trend. So now let's check out volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, it's been on a very strong downtrend. Of course, even though it has not been able to break out below this support zone, it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, then definitely to keep on selling. If it does not, then it will buy again. Okay, so that is very, very important. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out that support zone. That is when it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.